there is always conflict between the residents of a housing society and the pet owners. This video informs you about the laws and the rights of the pet owners, and role of housing society under such laws. It is very important to know about the Article 51, A, G, in the Constitution of India, 1949. The law states that it shall be duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Section 9, K, of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, 1960, states that, under Section 9, K, of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act, 1960, it is illegal for housing societies to pass pet bylaws that disallow pets, not even if the majority of residents of the society vote for it. The Animal Welfare Board of India, AWBI, guidelines state that, in trying to ban pets or limit their numbers, RWAs and AOAs interfere with the fundamental freedom guaranteed to citizens of the country, their freedom to live with or without companion animals. The Animal Welfare Board of India, AWBI, guidelines also make it clear that even if the majority of residents want it, RWAs and apartment owners associations, AOAs, cannot legally introduce any ban on keeping pet dogs. The Animal Welfare Board of India, AWBI, guidelines further state that, societies cannot prevent people who have pets from renting houses. According to AWBI guidelines, pets cannot be debarred by RWAs from using lifts or parks. Kerala High Court Order on the use of common areas in apartment complexes like lifts, etc. In November 2021, the Kerala High Court, based on the principle of shared ecosystem, held that bylaws of societies banning access of pets in common areas are illegal and unconstitutional. However, RWAs can impose reasonable restrictions by issuing guidelines to secure the interest of residents. Indian Penal Code, Section 506 informs regarding punishment for criminal intimidation, that whoever commits the offense of criminal intimidation shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend from 2 years to 7 years, or with fine, or with both. If the RWA or AOAs have framed stringent guidelines that are in variance with the central or state laws, something that forces an individual to give up or abandon his pet, it is a clear case of criminal intimidation under Section 506 of the IPC. When RWA is trying put forth unlawful demands and forming vague rules, it is a case of criminal intimidation under IPC Section 506. Under such circumstances, pet owners have an option to complain to the Registrar of Societies about RWA not adhering to the law and the guidelines imposed by RWA are unlawful. Now here is the summary of what we learned. Pets can be allowed to move in the common areas of the housing society, with care and caution by the pet owner to take care of the safety of the residents. RWA's unlawful demands, and vague rules, amount to criminal intimidation under IPC Section 506. Complaint can be registered with the Registrar of Societies if RWA not adhering to the law. If you want to file a complaint against a housing society, please visit www.icrpc.org. Please subscribe to this channel to receive more such interesting videos. This video is brought to you by Arun Saxena Productions.